Have you ever stopped to ponder the peculiar nature of numbers? They seem to be everywhere, shaping our understanding of the world. But what are they really? Numbers in their simplest form are the bedrock of our daily interactions. They dictate our schedules, our finances, our measurements. Yet they are also the key to unlocking some of the most abstract concepts that baffle the human mind. Numbers are not simply tools for quantification. They are philosophical entities, challenging our perceptions of reality. They force us to wrestle with the dual nature of our existence, the tangible and the abstract, the finite and the infinite. They push us to contemplate the relationship between the conceptual and the tangible, the individual and the collective. In essence, numbers are the language of the cosmos, a universal code that transcends cultural barriers and human subjectivity. They resonate with the very fabric of the universe, hinting at a deeper, more profound order. Numbers, it appears, are far more than mere tools for counting or measuring. Our philosophical journey with numbers begins with Pythagoras, who saw in them a divine code governing the universe. This ancient Greek philosopher and mathematician held a profound belief that numbers were more than mere tools for counting or measuring. To him, they were intrinsic elements of the cosmos, imbued with deeper meanings and universal order. Imagine a world seen through the lens of Pythagoras. A world where numbers are not just symbols on a page or abstract concepts in a textbook, but integral parts of the universe's fabric. Every star in the night sky, every grain of sand on the beach, every beat of our hearts, all governed by a divine numerical code. Pythagoras saw numbers as the building blocks of reality, the fundamental structure of existence. He believed that everything in the universe, from the rhythm of celestial bodies to the harmony of music, could be expressed in numerical terms. His worldview was a symphony of numbers, a cosmic dance choreographed by the divine code. This fascinating perspective challenges us to rethink our understanding of numbers. They are not just abstract entities detached from reality. Instead, they are reflections of a universal order, manifestations of a deeper structure that underlies the cosmos. In the Pythagorean worldview, numbers transcend their mathematical function. They become philosophical entities, bearers of profound meanings. Numbers, in this sense, act as a bridge between the tangible and the abstract, between the finite and the infinite. They become gateways to a deeper understanding of the world, offering insights into the mysteries of existence. To Pythagoras, numbers were not mere numerical symbols. They were keys to unlock the secrets of the universe, pathways to a higher understanding. They were not just part of the world, they were the world. The universe, in its immense complexity and beauty, was a divine code written in the language of numbers. To Pythagoras, numbers were not just numerical, they were symbolic, representing a cosmic order. His philosophy invites us to look beyond the surface, to delve deeper into the enigma of numbers, and to explore their profound connection with the universe. The dialectic between the one and the many also finds an echo in numbers. Imagine the number 1. It signifies unity, a whole, the beginning. It's the number that stands alone, unique and singular. Yet from this solitary digit blooms a multitude of numbers, each one a distinct entity, yet all rooted in that original one. This is an example of the dialectic between one and many, a philosophical concept that finds intriguing parallels in the realm of numbers. Numbers, in their essence, encapsulate this dialectic. They represent both unity and diversity. Consider how a series of numbers, 2, 3, 4, and so forth, each stand as individual entities. Yet they all share a common origin in the number 1. They are diverse, yet they are unified. This is the dialectic at play. Now let's take this a step further. The number 1 can symbolize the individual, and the many numbers that spring from it, the collective. We see this in society where individuals come together to form communities, nations, and the world at large. Yet each person remains a distinct entity, just as each number retains its unique identity within the sequence. And what about the finite and the infinite? Numbers again embody this duality. We can count numbers, giving them a finite quality. Yet numbers are infinite. There's no end to how high we can count or how many fractions we can create. This mirrors the human experience. We live finite lives, yet we grapple with concepts of eternity and infinity. In these ways, numbers serve as a microcosm of existence. They illustrate the balance between unity and diversity, the individual and the collective, the finite and the infinite. Through numbers, we glimpse a reflection of the broader universe and our place within it. Numbers then can be seen as an expression of the inherent duality of existence. Mathematics, as the language of numbers, seems to offer an objectivity that transcends human subjectivity. This fascinating perspective invites us to delve deeper into the relationship between numbers and mathematics. Numbers in the realm of mathematics aren't just entities for counting or measuring. They serve as the building blocks of logical structures and provide a framework for understanding the world around us. They help us decode patterns, solve complex problems, and predict phenomena. But here's where it gets interesting. While mathematics provides a structured, logical framework, the nature of numbers themselves remains a subject of philosophical debate. Are numbers independent entities residing in a Platonic realm of ideas, or are they conceptual constructs of the human mind? Some philosophers argue that numbers have an existence independent of human cognition. They believe that numbers are discovered, not invented. This view aligns with mathematical realism, which suggests that mathematical entities exist independently of the human mind. On the other hand, some philosophers propose that numbers are purely human constructs, tools invented by the mind to make sense of the world. This perspective, known as mathematical constructivism, posits that numbers depend on human cognition for their existence. This dichotomy sparks another intriguing question. What is the relationship between mathematics and material reality? Does the mathematical structure of numbers mirror the structure of the physical world, or is it merely a tool that humans use to describe and predict physical phenomena? Some thinkers suggest that the mathematical structure of numbers reflects the fundamental structure of the physical universe. They propose that the universe itself is mathematical in nature. Others argue that mathematics is a human invention, a language created to describe the world but not necessarily reflective of its intrinsic structure. These philosophical debates remind us that numbers, while concrete in their precision, harbor a world of abstract thought. They challenge us to ponder the nature of reality, the limits of human cognition, and the intricate dance between the tangible and the intangible. Even in the seemingly immutable domain of mathematics, philosophical questions persist. Numbers, in their silent language, continue to intrigue, mystify, and inspire us in our quest to unravel the mysteries of the universe. Numbers unfold as philosophical entities, inviting us to explore the boundaries between matter and mind, the finite and the infinite. They are more than mere abstract symbols we use to quantify our world. They are the keys to understanding the universe and our place within it. Numbers challenge us to contemplate the nature of reality. Are they external entities that exist independently of our perception, or are they constructs of the human mind, designed to bring order to the chaos of existence? This debate echoes the age-old philosophical question: does reality exist outside of our perception, or is it shaped by our understanding? Numbers also call into question the relationship between the conceptual and the tangible. Mathematics, the language of numbers, provides us with precise formulas and equations. Yet, these mathematical constructs are based on abstract concepts. Does this mean that the tangible world is underpinned by the abstract? Or is it the other way around? Does the tangible give rise to the abstract? Furthermore, numbers hint at an underlying order that permeates the cosmos. The patterns found in numbers, from the Fibonacci sequence to the distribution of prime numbers, suggest a hidden structure to the universe. This structure, which we decipher through numbers, seems to hint at a cosmic order, a mathematical harmony that governs everything from the spirals of galaxies to the growth patterns of plants. The exploration of numbers, therefore, is not just an intellectual exercise. It is a spiritual journey, a quest for understanding the universe and our place within it. They are not mere counters or measuring tools. They are symbols imbued with profound philosophical significance, inviting us to delve into the mysteries of existence. Numbers are not just tools, but bearers of deeper meanings, questioning the ultimate essence of existence. They invite us on a journey of discovery, challenging us to transcend our everyday understanding and explore the profound mysteries that lie beyond the realm of the tangible. So, what have we learned about numbers, these abstract elements that permeate our existence? We've journeyed from the enigmatic beginnings of numbers, through the divine codes envisioned by Pythagoras, to the dialectic of one and many expressed through their very existence. Numbers, we've discovered, are more than mere tools for measurement. They're manifestations of a deeper universal order. They symbolize a dialectic between unity and diversity, the individual and the collective, the finite and the infinite. We've delved into the language of numbers, mathematics, and questioned its objectivity. Does it transcend human subjectivity, or are numbers a product of our minds? And how does this language relate to our tangible material reality? In essence, numbers have revealed themselves as bearers of deeper meanings, challenging our understanding of reality and the relationship between the conceptual and the tangible. Numbers, despite their seemingly objective and precise nature, trigger profound reflections when observed through a philosophical lens. They challenge us to question, to ponder, and to understand the world in a deeper way.